Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Biasi. They told me there's no hot water heating, so I've come there and had a look at it, having a look at it. I think somebody's tried to have a go at it before me. Now the circuit board's out. The boiler's completely opened up. There's no power going to it. The flue stat is also out. So we're gonna have a look at this, diagnose it, see what the issue is, and hopefully try and sort it out. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's have a closer look at the board first. The fuses are missing. So that's not an issue. But I can see a burnt mark there. And so I think the board is damaged. There's also burn marks. That's blown as well. So I think we're going to change the board first. Once we got the board sorted, and then we're going to move on from there if there's any other issues on the boiler. They've also taken the power cables off. So there's no power coming into the boiler. So we're going to sort that out. The room stats are also disconnected. So we're going to rewire them as well. So we've got some work to do on this one. Let's see what happens. Keep watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. We've got a new board and a new flue stat, so we're going to fit that in and see what happens. Now we wired up the new circuit board. And we also done the flue stat. We're gonna give some power to the boiler, and then we're gonna test it out. If your boiler is broken down in Central and South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, vaillant, wocesterbosch, baxi, Biasi, ideal, we specialize in repairing them we do emergency same-day repairs. Now don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Now we're testing this one out. It's sparking, but it's not igniting the flame, so the spark lead was a bit loose. I took it off and put it back on, and it started working fine after that. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Take care.